In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate fixed deposit maturity amount in Microsoft Excel. A fixed deposit, or FD maturity amount, is the total money you receive at the end of the deposit term. That includes your original principal amount plus the interest earned over time. So if you want a quick and accurate way to estimate how much your deposit will grow, Excel makes the process very easy. To begin, create a simple sample table in your worksheet. Set up 4 columns labeled principal amount, annual interest rate, time in years, and maturity amount. This layout helps keep your inputs organized and makes the final calculation easier to understand at a glance. Even for a basic example, using a table format is a good habit because it keeps your spreadsheet clean and readable. Next, enter your sample values. In this example, the principal amount is $10,000, the annual interest rate is 6%, and the time is 5 years. These are the values we'll use to calculate the maturity amount. Now, go to the cell under maturity amount and type the formula equals 1,000 times, open parenthesis, 1 plus 6%, close parenthesis, raised to the power of 5. In Excel format, that is equal sign 9,000, then an asterisk, then open parenthesis, 1 plus 6%, close parenthesis, then caret 5. This formula works because it follows the annual compound interest method. The principal amount is the starting deposit, which in this case is $10,000. The annual interest rate is 6%, written in the formula as 6%. The time period is 5 years, which becomes the exponent. By raising the growth factor to the number of years, Excel calculates how the deposit increases year after year with compounding. Once you press enter, Excel will return the maturity amount automatically. This gives you the total value of the fixed deposit at the end of the term, including the interest earned. It's also helpful to understand what each part represents. The principal amount is the initial money deposited. The annual interest rate is the yearly return applied to that deposit. The time in years is how long the money stays invested. And the maturity amount is the final total you receive at the end. This example uses the annual compound interest formula, which is commonly used for fixed deposit calculations. If you want to make your worksheet even easier to update later, you can replace hard-coded numbers with cell references, but the formula shown here is perfect for learning the basic idea clearly.